Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello, everyone, and hello, Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today, we will learn words from this category. Sports, with words like soccer and tennis.
That sounds fun, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the sports words.
Great. I will listen carefully. Sports. Soccer. Soccer. Basketball. Basketball. Tennis. Tennis. Baseball. Baseball. Swimming. Swimming. Running. Running. Cycling. Cycling. Boxing. Boxing. Golf. Golf. Volleyball. Volleyball. Skiing. Skiing. Skating. Skating. I know many sports words now.
Now, we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
Tennis. Basketball. Skating. Soccer. What is this? Soccer. What is this? Basketball. What is this? Tennis. Running. Baseball. Swimming. Boxing. What is this? Baseball. What is this? Swimming. What is this? Running. Tennis. Boxing. Cycling. Golf. What is this? Cycling. What is this? Boxing. What is this? Golf. Skating. Golf. Volleyball. Skiing. What is this? Volleyball. What is this? Skiing. What is this? Skating.
How was the quiz, Nexo?
It was good. I liked it.
Now let's hear the vocabulary in context.
Sports. Soccer. I play soccer. I play soccer. Basketball. He plays basketball. He plays basketball. Tennis. She likes tennis. She likes tennis. Baseball. We watch baseball. We watch baseball. Swimming. Swimming is fun. Swimming is fun. Running. Running is good. Running is good. Cycling. I like cycling. I like cycling. Boxing. Boxing is a sport. Boxing is a sport. Golf. He plays golf. He plays golf. Volleyball. They play volleyball. They play volleyball. Skiing. Skiing is cold. Skiing is cold. Skating. Skating is fast. Skating is fast.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
Okay. Emma, I will match the image and the sentence. I play soccer. B. He plays basketball. B. She likes tennis. B. We watch baseball. C. Swimming is fun. B. Running is good. C. I like cycling. A.
Boxing is a sport.
C.
He plays golf.
A.
They play volleyball.
A.
Skiing is cold.
C.
Skating is fast.
B.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, everyone. Please continue with the next lesson.
This class was fun.
Yes, it was a great sports lesson.